Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to pay someone on Binance. Binance is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy, sell, and transfer various digital assets. To pay someone on Binance, you will need to follow these steps. First, ensure you have a Binance account and that it is fully verified. This is a mandatory step to comply with anti-money laundering and know your customer regulations. If you have not already done so, sign up for a Binance account and go through the verification process. Next, deposit the cryptocurrency you wish to use for payment into your Binance account. You can do this by navigating to the deposit section, selecting the desired cryptocurrency, and following the on-screen instructions. Make sure to use the correct deposit address to avoid losing your funds. Once your account is funded, navigate to the Binance Wallet section and select the cryptocurrency you want to use for payment. Click on the Withdraw button and enter the recipient's wallet address. You can also use the recipient's Binance user ID or QR code to simplify the process. Carefully review the transaction details, including the amount, recipient's address, and any applicable fees. Binance charges a small fee for transactions, which will be deducted from your account balance. Confirm the transaction and wait for the payment to be processed. It is essential to note that cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible, so double-check the recipient's address before confirming the payment. Additionally, be aware of the minimum withdrawal amounts and any restrictions that may apply to your account. To ensure a smooth and secure transaction, always use two-factor authentication and keep your account information confidential. It is also a good idea to set up a withdrawal whitelist to restrict withdrawals to trusted addresses only. In conclusion, paying someone on Binance is a straightforward process that requires a verified account, sufficient funds, and careful attention to transaction details. By following these steps and taking necessary precautions, you can securely and efficiently transfer cryptocurrencies to anyone on the Binance platform.